Hello everyone, I hope you are doing fine. I am Dr. Shweta Jain from EyeMantra. I have come across many queries related to eye discharge. If you are interested in knowing about all the details about eye discharge, you need to give your ears to this video till you reach the last minute. Eye care is one of the most essential aspects of a healthy body, as eye plays a vital role in our lives. As soon as you find something fishy happening in your eyes, you need to consult an eye specialist and get the medication details. In this video, I'll clear all your queries regarding eye discharge, including its causes, symptoms, and the situation when it becomes imperative to see a specialist. First of all, you need to have a close look at what eye discharge is and what it looks like. When you observe a white mucus or pus appearing on either the inner end or both the ends of your eye frequently, it is called eye discharge. It is a grayish white and the density is thick enough. When you do not notice it for a few minutes, it gets dry in your eyes. A sludgy substance is left behind that you can remove using tissue paper or a handkerchief. People take it lightly and assume that it is a sign of sleep in the eyes. Believe me, it's not just because of the sleep routine or the accumulation of the skin oil and mucus in the eye while you sleep. It is way more than what you think. Let us begin unfolding the concept of eye discharge concisely. First of all, when you know what eye discharge is, you must be aware of the causes of eye discharge. So here we go on the first query. What are the causes of eye discharge? Discharge from the eye can happen due to many reasons, like the presence of various irritants in the environment. Some other causes are conjunctivitis. Generally referred to as pink eye, a considerable inflammation is observed in the membrane lining the eyelids. It turns the eye reddish pink. The leading cause of conjunctivitis is either bacteria or virus. Constant tears. Some mucus also collects in the eye when you cry for long hours. The water from the eye attracts oil towards the eyes, which accumulate at one end. The mucus dries up in the eye very soon and comes out of it in the form of solid human waste. Stress. This is also one of the reasons for eye discharge. When a person experiences a lot of stress in the eye, the discharge frequently increases. This pain may arise due to long working hours on screen or phone. This can be eradicated by applying a cold compress on the infected eye. Eye allergy. Eye allergies or allergic conjunctivitis happen due to various irritants from allergens, such as dust in the atmosphere. Such allergy is accompanied by various other issues like congestion, runny nose, itching, and burning. Allergy can only be treated if there is a known allergen. For example, if you know that your eyes are allergic to excessive sunlight, then make sure that you do not move out during the midday without covering your eyes with the help of shades. If the irritation continues for a long time, then you can consult a doctor and request him to prescribe an eye drop to relieve this allergy. Corneal ulcer. Corneal ulcer develops in your eye in the most extreme cases of infection. In this, the cornea becomes inflamed and the ulcer can cause white eye discharge. It is accompanied by various other things like redness in the eye, excessive pain, and tearing, sensitivity to light. Since the stage of an ulcer is quite severe to deal with using home remedies, it becomes really urgent for you to call a doctor who can suggest an antibiotic treatment. If the treatment is not provided on time, the person may end up losing the vision. In such cases, the only alternative left with a specialist is to move forward with a corneal transplant. Now you know about all the causes of experiencing white eye discharge. There are few conditions when you need to see a doctor on priority basis. Listen to the section carefully. Times when you need to see a doctor. Since we know that the eye discharge problem can be a reason for permanent loss of vision, you must check for the events when you need to see a doctor to get your eyes treated. Consult a doctor when the eye discharge is accompanied by other symptoms like blurred vision, pain, and redness. if the eye discharge is increasing constantly or is it so much to make your lids stick together. Thirdly, if your eye discharge is greenish or yellowish in color, then you should consult a doctor immediately. Heading towards the conclusion of this topic, I hope I have successfully covered and cleared all your queries regarding the white eye discharge. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.